In this question, you have to identify the correct combination of aquatic mammals. Now, aquatic mammals are warm-blooded vertebrates that live in the aquatic environments. They breathe through lungs and they give birth to live young. Now, coming to the options, option A, dolphins, seals, trigon. While dolphins and seals are aquatic mammals, but trigon is a cartilaginous fish and it is not a mammal. Hence, it is incorrect. Option B, whales, dolphins, seals. Now, whales, dolphins, seals are all aquatic mammals. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, trigon, whales and seals. It is incorrect because trigon is a cartilaginous fish and not mammal, but whales and seals are aquatic mammals. Option D, seals, dolphins, sharks. It is also incorrect because sharks are cartilaginous fish and not mammals, but seals and dolphins are aquatic mammals.